Alright, so load it, slap mag in, puts one in the chamber, ready to go. Start off, it's on safe.
This is locked to the rear, it's backing up.
Yep.
And then this is just a pop and it slides forward. Charge.
Yep. Straight down.
Okay.
Safe. Full. So my hand's on safe, flip it to semi, take a couple shots, and go full.
All right.
Alright?
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Here's the other problem is left eye dominant. So is that a problem?
No?
I mean, it's on me because all the ammo comes back to me, right?
Yep.
Huh. Going hot? Going full?
It's shooting a little low. I'm going to let you try it. I'm going to let you try it before I adjust the sight. Okay? There's mine. Okay.
Barrel's clear. Clear.